Today we're making a pickup of some alcohol at Total Wine and More. So we give our customers access to food through the flat rate food boxes on our website. It's in a partnership with Walmart. No, we don't support that product. All the answers that you need is on the website for that product. We also give our customers access to alcohol, and we choose Total Wine and More to partner with because their store is very close to our warehouse. Not that you cannot ship alcohol from, spirits from other spirit distributor, but if you want us to do an in-store pickup like I'm doing here, whoops, we got a spill at the door here. If you want us to do an in-store pickup like I'm doing here with the Total Wine and More, it has to be with Total Wine and More. Here goes all the high-end stuff. I'm going to give you just a little bit of a panoramic view of the store. It's huge. Now, everything that you probably need from vodka, flavored vodkas, brandy, all your NSC, your Remy. Jamaicans don't drink too much tequila, but tequila. If you run Airbnb, you want a mini bar. I did a couple of mini bar. All your wine, if you run an Airbnb to you need wine. Now here's the caveat and the catch, right? I implore you guys, if you're considering purchasing alcohol, to leave the cheap wine alone. Leave the $5 and $8 bottles of wine alone. The reason why is because you're paying to ship glass and liquid, which is fairly heavy. And if the item doesn't really reach the price range of $20, $25 a bottle, that savings that you're looking, and we're honest people, we're being honest with you, that savings that you're looking for, you're not gonna find it. You're gonna break even. Now this customer is shipping 21 bottles. We have a recommendation of 6 bottles. Still panning around showing you the size of the store. I'm here to pick up 21 bottles. And yeah, though we say we limit you, here goes the mini bar, by the way, just got me. So if you run an Airbnb and you want to set up a mini bar, we could help you to take care of that. You place the order online and we go in the store and pick it up. Right? There's 2 mini bar stands. I'm going through both of them. But if you this company is a company for the people, by the people. So I mean, I guess party season is back in Jamaica because I'm picking up 21 bottles of spirits. But yeah, we'll just parcel it out in 4 boxes, those 666 and 3 year. And which is what I asked them to do here at Total Wine and More, just to parcel it out properly so I could ship it and not run into issues, right? So as I said again, our shipping company is always for the people, by the people. Whatever you want to get done, just pick up the phone and call us or WhatsApp us. If it's against some kind of guideline, we'll kind of work with you and make it work. So as you can see, I pick it up. I'm walking behind the cash register heading to the exit because it was already paid for. I got it in 4 boxes. So I bring it back to the warehouse, process it, weigh it, measure it. Customer already did their shipping alert.